This is the sixth part of Chapter 7, that is Profit and Loss, Discount and Tax. And in this part, we are going to continue with exercise 7c. So, starting with question number 11. After allowing a discount of 12% on the marked price, a shopkeeper still gains 21%. By what percent is the marked price above cost price? So, first we will take the marked price to be x. So, discount is equals to 12% of x, that is equals to rupees 3x by 25. Now, solving this 12 by 100 into x, we have reduced this 12 and 100. So, further we will get the solution to be 3x by 25. Now, selling price equals to marked price minus discount. So, that is equal to rupees x minus 3x by 25. Taking the LCM to be 25, in the numerator we'll have 25x minus 3x. So that is equal to 22x divided by 25. So cost price is equal to, we will apply the formula of for finding the cost price, which is 100 divided by 100 plus gain into selling price. That is 100 divided by 100 plus 21 into selling price. So that is equal to 100 divided by 121 into selling price, which is 22x by 25. So solving this, we will get the equation as 8x by 11. Now the difference, we will find out the difference in the marked price and cost price, that is x minus 8x by 11. Here we will take the LCM as 11, and in the numerator we will have 11x minus 8x, which is equals to 3x by 11. Therefore, we need to find out that by how much percent is the marked price above the cost price. So, we will write the equation as the difference of marked price and cost price divided by the cost price into 100. Since we have to find out the percentage, so we have multiplied this equation into by 100. So, in the next step, we will write it as 3x by 11. Now this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and 8x by 11 will get reciprocal as 11 by 8x into 100. So x and x will get cancelled, this 11 and 11 will get cancelled, and we can divide this 8 and 100 by 4. So in the numerator we will have 75, and in the denominator we'll have 2, that is 75 by 2%, that is equal to 37 by 2%. Moving on to question number 13. Find a single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 40% and 5%. So let the marked price be rupees x. Selling price equals to 1 minus d1 by 100 into 1 minus d2 by 100 into marked price. So let us put the respective d1, d2 values, that is 40% and 5% respectively. So SP is equals to 1 minus 40 by 100 into 1 minus 5 by 100 into x. So SP equals to, now solving this first bracket, that is taking the LCM as 100, in the numerator I'll have 100 minus 40, which is equals to 60 by 100. Again, taking this LCM as 100, we will have 100 minus 5 in the numerator, which is equals to 95 by 100 into x. Now let it be the first equation. Again, we will take the same formula, that is selling price is equals to 1 minus d by 100 into x, because they have asked us to find a single equivalent discount. So now we can equate this first and second equation. Why? Because in the left hand side of both the equation we have selling price. So if the left hand side of both the equation is equal, we can equate the right hand side. So from equation 1 and 2 we get 1 minus d by 100 into x is equal to 60 by 100 into 95 by 100 into x. So x and x from both sides will get cancelled. So we will have 1 minus d by 100 in the left hand side, which is equal to 57 by 100. Now bring this d by 100 to the right hand side. So on the other hand, we will get 1 minus 57 by 100. So d by 100 equals to, now taking the LCM as 100, in the numerator we'll have 100 minus 57, which is 43. by 100. So we can bring this 100 to the other side and it will get multiplied. Therefore, D is equals to 43 into 100 by 100, which is equals to 43%. Next, question number 15. The marked price of a watch is rupees 1375. If tax is charged at the rate of 4%, find the total cost of the watch. So, given is the marked price of the watch, which is rupees 1375. Tax is equal to 4% of the marked price, that is 1375. So 4 by 100 into 1375 is equal to rupees 55. Therefore, the total cost of the watch is equal to rupees marked price plus the tax amount, that is 1375 plus rupees 55, that is equal to rupees 1430. Question number 17. The list price of a washing machine is rupees 25,000 and the shopkeeper gives a discount of 12% on the list price. On the remaining amount, he charges a tax of 10%. Find number 1, the amount of tax a customer has to pay, and number 2, the final price he has to pay for the washing machine. So given is the list price of the washing machine, which is rupees 25,000, and discount is given as 12% on this list price, that is 12% of 25,000, that is equal to rupees 3,000. Now the selling price of the washing machine is equal to list price minus discount, that is 25,000 minus 3,000, which is equal to rupees 22,000. Now on this selling price, the shopkeeper charges 10% tax. So tax amount is equal to 10% of rupees 22,000, that is equal to rupees 2200. So the first part of the question, which has asked us to find out the amount of tax a customer has to pay, that is equal to rupees 2200. The second part of the question, that is the final price he has to pay, which is the selling price plus the tax amount, that is 22,000 plus rupees 2200, that is equal to rupees 24,200. Next, question number 19. Vivek purchased a laptop for rupees 34,164, which includes 10% rebate. Now 10% rebate means 10% discount on the marked price and then 4% tax on the remaining price. Find the marked price of the laptop. Now given is the first we will assume the marked price to be X. So given is the discount, that is 10% of the marked price, which is 10% of X, that is equals to rupees X by 10. Now the price of the laptop after discount is going to be rupees X minus X by 10, that is marked price minus discount. That is, we will take the LCM as 10. So the numerator will have 10x minus x, which is 9x by 10. Now this is the selling price, which is 9x by 10. On this, the tax will be charged. So 4% of this 9x by 10, that is equal to rupees 36x by 1000. That is 4 by 100 into 9x by 10, which is equal to rupees 36x by 1000. So the price to be paid by the customer. So how much is the customer going to pay? That is the selling price plus tax. That is 9x by 10 plus 36x by 1000. Here we'll take the LCM as 1000. So the first term will be multiplied by 100. So we will get 900x plus this will remain as it is, or we can multiply this with 1. So we will get plus 36x, which is equal to 936x by 1000. As in the question, the selling price is already mentioned, which is 34,164. So we can write it according to the question, we can write it as 936x by 1000 is equal to rupees 34,164. So 936x is equal to 34,164 into 1000. Therefore, x equals to 34,164 into 1000 divided by 936. That is equal to rupees 36,500. Therefore, the marked price of the laptop is rupees 36,500. Next, question number 21. The price of a food processor inclusive of tax of 5% is rupees 6,930. If the tax is increased to 8%, how much more does the customer pay for it? Now, let the basic price of the food processor be rupees X. So tax is equals to 5% of X, that is rupees 5x by 100. So the total price of the food processor will be basic price plus the tax amount, that is X plus 5x by 100. We will take 100 as the LCM. So in the numerator we will have 100 plus 5x, which is 105x by 100. So reducing it further, we will get the amount as rupees 21x by 20. So according to the question, we can write this amount, that is 21x by 20, to be equal to 6930. So 21x is equals to 6930 into 20. That is, we will bring this 20 to the other side, so it will get multiplied. Therefore, x equals to 6930 into 20 divided by 21. That is equals to rupees 6,600. Now, they have asked us that if the tax is increased to 8%, so what will be the tax amount now? That is 8% of the cost price, or sorry, the 8% of the selling price, that is 6,600, which is rupees 528. Therefore, the price of the food processor now will be rupees 6,600 plus 528, that is equal to rupees 7,128. Therefore, the extra amount to be paid by the customer is equal to 6128 minus 6930. That is the amount given in the question, which is equals to rupees 198. So that's all for this part. Thank you.